Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. So I am at my favorite thrift store, Habitat for Humanity. I'm here with my mom and she has agreed again to film me. You guys loved my last video where I took you around Habitat for Humanity. So we're gonna go around this store. Few things I'm looking for: a top, either a countertop or some kind of wood that I can put on a desk that I'm doing up in my office area. My mom also is looking for a light. Is it for your dining room?
Dining room.
Dining room, okay. So we're gonna look at the light fixtures and probably the furniture and just look around and see what we can find. Trying to see if I can find a piece of wood that may be long enough. I need it to be about 11 feet. So we'll see. We found a countertop, but it was only 7 feet long. So let's see, there's some wood over there. So we'll go see what we can find. Our Habitat for Humanity gets a lot of like hotel type stuff or businesses, so they have all these picture frames, and then like they have mirrors, like these circle mirrors would be cool to paint up and do something with. Look cool, white, painted, maybe distressed. You could put, like if you had a big wall to fill, you could put like 2 or 3 of those and it would make a big statement. $5 for this chair. That's a good deal. This is kind of cracked right here. Like I wonder if that's going to come apart though. So that's cracked. Yeah. I mean, you could probably reinforce it, but... This is a cute cabinet for $20. It's solid wood. Oh, it's got a lock. I don't know. I can get into those, but that would be cute. Those could be cool, painted up. This is just a bunch of MDF wood. So if you need wood for a project, it's a lot more inexpensive to come to a store like this. I think these are bed frames. These are from the Marriott Hotel. Let's go look at the lights. The Restore has a ton of different light fixtures that you can chalk paint, paint up. And some of them look good just the way they are. I kind of like these. I thought these would be good in a bathroom. Probably respray paint them. And then you could even change these out as well. They have a ton of light fixtures today. My mom should definitely be able to find one. Ooh, that's a cute chandelier. Look
that would be cute in a bathroom.
Or in like the girls' room?
Yes, that is. It's small, but
I think we need that. Maybe in Annabelle's closet.
It'd only be $5.
It's $10.
But it's 50% off.
Oh my goodness, 50% off today. Okay, so I'm gonna get this chandelier. It's $10, but 50% off, so it's only $5. And I think I'm gonna put it in Annabelle's closet. She doesn't have a lot of light in there right now. The only problem is that Caroline's gonna be jealous. So I need to find another one for her. So I don't need to pick up any chairs today, but their chairs are $5 and they're great if you need any like wood chairs to paint. So I always go here. They have a huge selection to choose from. This is one of my favorite areas. I just did a trash to treasure video where I showed you how to use these shelves. They're $1 here. They're great for making signs. I used them to make a couple of little wood presents, but there's so many things you can do with them. So I definitely come here for like scrap wood. It's so much cheaper than going to Lowe's or Home Depot. Okay, so I'm ready to check out. I think this is all I'm gonna get, but you never know what you're gonna find here, and I think for $5, this was a great deal. I didn't find the countertop for my desk, but I'll probably look at some other Habitat for Humanities and see what I can find. I'm getting ready to leave the Restore, and I only picked up the chandelier, but I'm super excited to get that. It was $5. I know at one point I looked online for those and they were close to $100, so I'm really excited to find it. So I hope you guys enjoyed following me and my mom around the Restore today. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post 3 DIYs each week. And if you missed our last DIY, I'm gonna link it right here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.